Greetings and welcome to today's episode of Life More Smart. I'm your host, Brian Pruitt. If you haven't already done so, press that subscribe button so you'll never miss another podcast. Now for today's episode. Today I'd like to talk to you about hope, your wishbone to success. You see, that's it. A key to your success. Holding on to hope is imperative to control your thoughts and imagination. I'm not saying that's easy, nor is it a quick one and done. No, it takes diligence. It takes determination. Be determined like a bulldog. Like a bulldog. Refuse to let go of that piece of meat. Know it's working. Know it's working regardless of how you feel. Regardless of what the circumstances look like, regardless of what anyone says. If you want hope to work for you, you're going to have to practice it continually. You can't do it in spurts. It doesn't work that way. You can't wait until your life is falling apart. It's a wreck, and then jump up suddenly and get full of hope in just a few minutes. No, this is something that you do all day, every day. It's a lifestyle. You see, you build your hope continually. Then, when the world brings bad things to you, when it brings pressures to tear you down, to tear apart your hope, you can refuse to give into that pressure because you have the stamina. Refuse to allow your feelings to dictate your conversations. To dictate your conversations and make no exceptions at any time. That's diligence. It's the difference between the military life and the civilian life. When you're on the battlefield, you had better be diligent. You can't afford to slack. If you do, the enemy will get you before you know it, before you know what has happened. The world would like nothing more than for you to quit, to give up, to give into your circumstances. That's what the world wants. But you can do better. To overcome and maintain your hope, you must stand guard over your imagination. Stand guard at all times. That's the key to victory. Well, that's it for today, everyone. May the Lord bless you and keep you. May the Lord make his face shine on you and be gracious to you. May the Lord turn his face toward you and give you peace. Well, if you've enjoyed this podcast, don't forget to share it with a friend and those loved ones around you. And until next time, have a successful day.